Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Start by gathering ingredients. 1 egg yolk, 1 cup neutral oil, canola or grapeseed, 1 tablespoon fresh lemon juice, 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard, 1/2 teaspoon fine salt, and 1 clove garlic. For food safety, use pasteurized eggs or gently heat treat whole eggs to 160 degrees F before separating to reduce salmonella risk. Keep a kitchen thermometer handy. Chill all bowls and utensils briefly to help emulsification. Plan for storage. Refrigerate the finished mayo at 40 degrees F or below and consume within 3 to 4 days for best quality. Place the yolk, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard, and 1/2 teaspoons salt in a bowl and whisk vigorously for about 30 seconds to combine. Begin adding 1 cup oil drop by drop while whisking constantly. Once thickened, you can add oil in a thin, steady stream until fully incorporated. If the mixture splits, stop and whisk a fresh yolk in a clean bowl. Then very slowly whisk the broken mixture into that yolk to rescue the emulsion. Taste and adjust seasoning. Turn plain mayonnaise into pizza mayonnaise by mashing 1 clove garlic and stirring it into the mayo, then adding 1 teaspoon dried oregano and 1/2 teaspoon chili flakes for heat. For a creamier texture, you can fold in 2 tablespoons grated Parmesan or 1 tablespoon tomato paste for a pink hue. Use pizza mayonnaise as a drizzle or spread. 2 tablespoons per 12-inch pizza is a good starting point. Store leftovers in a clean glass jar, seal tightly, and keep refrigerated at.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.